Hey everybody, farmer73 here. It's a water shortage going on all across the country and all around the world. I think I might have something that just may help us in such an emergency. Check this out. Alright family, I have the Medea Cube Smart Dehumidifier. It's compact and it's powerful. I'm going to unbox this now, see how it works. This may be the answer to all of our prayers right here. Okay, let's get it open. What's in the box? Right off the gate, packaged nicely. Instructions. Always read your instructions. All right, then we have our unit in the box. Now let's hope. Oh, it's not heavy at all. Got a little weight to it, but it's not heavy. Okay. Let's get this thing plugged up and going. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is get it plugged in. Not there, but here. Next thing we do is pull up the handle and see this align arrow. We're going to pull this up and align that. Align this arrow with the arrow on the actual tank. There it is right there. Don't forget to take that plug out. And don't forget to remove that plug. This plug lets you drain the water out. So always remember that. Don't leave that in there. And set it back down. Now we're going to set our fill level, give it a little shade so we can see it a little better. So we're just going to bring that all the way up to the 4th level. I want this all the way full before it shuts off. So you hit it once, twice. So that's going to take it to its full level. I want it on continuous and I want the fan on high, which it already is. While we wait, let's see how much power it uses when the compressor kicks in. Okay, right now we are using 221 watts. The Blue Eddy EB70 or the Boujar V716 can handle this load. This unit is 700 watts. We know this will run this for about 3 hours. Now, you could run this pretty much indefinitely if you had your solar panels hooked up. So in the meantime, while this is running and collecting water, we're going to do a little bit of reading our instructions and get to know this thing and see what all it can do. All right, you guys, first and foremost, we have a viewing window to see how full the tank gets. So you'll be able to visually see how much water is in your tank. Now here's a bonus. Not only is it pulling humidity out of the air and creating a water source, but it also has screen filters on each side to help filter it so it keeps your motor clean. So I thought that was a big plus. One of the best parts is you don't necessarily need your drainage bucket that comes with it. You can hook this up to a drainage tube or a garden hose. It comes with a 2-foot drainage tube and you just lift it off its cradle. It's going to shut off automatically. You can see the water dripping now, and you would just push your drainage tube in and your water will flow wherever you wanted it to, down in a bucket or out the window. And as you can see, it's threaded for a standard garden hose. You can also remove this door on the back so you can access your pump and still use this bucket. As soon as you put the unit back into its cradle, it automatically cuts back on. You can hear the fan kick on right there. It also has a pumping feature that you can program to pump the water up and out. So that's a big plus because everybody may not be on level ground. It also has an app that you can download because you can use this from your phone or your smart device while you're away. So you can control this from anywhere. So that's a big plus. You guys, the Medea works so well that I even purchased a smaller one from Everdry. And I'm gonna show you how that works. It works just as good, just in a smaller package. I've had this on all day, and so far it's collected that much water. That's impressive. Now remember, this is for survival. This on a normal basis would be great, but right now this is another way to get water, collect water, and store water in your jugs. Okay, you guys, this is less than 24 hours and we are full. The P2 symbol is stating that we're full and we're at level 4. It is full. So I'm going to show you exactly what we got here. Set that to the side. And as you can see, it collected all of this water. So I'm going to go ahead and pour that out now. You want to pour this out from the other direction. Let's see how much we get. You have, this is a 5-gallon bucket. That's about 3 gallons of water, pure water right out of the air. So all I'm going to do here is take it in here and filter this water through my Berkey system, and it'll be perfectly drinkable. Okay, you guys, my Berkey cannot hold 3 gallons. This is a 2-gallon container. I'm just going to pour in a little at a time. Okay, that should do it. Let me see, a little more. Okay, here we go. Perfectly drinkable. So here you go, you guys. Perfectly drinkable water right out of the air. So I have more water than the law allows here. Here I got about 2.5 gallons of water, just that I could do anything with. I could water my garden, I could wash up, I could wash my dishes, I could drink it. You could do anything with this water that you're just pulling right out of the sky, and you're only using 260 watts. So you do the math on that. If this isn't a survival method, I don't know what is. So, all right, I hope you guys go out and get you one just in case. Guava. That's water. Listen, it doesn't get any more pure than that. We got the water out of the air and then ran it through a Berkey system. How much more pure can you get than that? All right. All right. I hope you guys learned something here. Go out and get you one for safety purposes. Live farmer73. Store your water up. It's serious, okay? Live farmer73. I love you, and I'm out.